Okay, so today we're going to be doing brake pads on a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you one way to check to see your brake pad wear before you actually have to take off the wheel. I don't know if you're looking in the corner there. How about this? There you go. Alright, so this right here is your pad itself, the entire brake pad's right here. And this is your backing plate. This specific part is your backing plate, and what's in front of this is your pad material. So if you see, he don't really have that much pad material and brake pads at all. So that's why we're going to swap them out. I'll show you guys how to swap out the brake pads. Alright, so you take off the wheel, and once you take off the wheel, you can take out the rotor. So the rotor's actually fine, see? So you don't need to replace the rotor, just the brake pads. Okay. This is a 14 top and bottom. Just push in. It pushes in the caliper. Alright. Two 14s, top and bottom. Now to push this in a little bit more. Remove this backing plate. That's the backing plate from the old pads. Take this pin out. Take this pad out. And we're going to remove these two because I like to clean the I want to clean the bracket as well. They are 17. Both 17s. I'm just leave them there. And now we're going to take this to the truck. Then after you push these in, you can take your brake caliper bracket and put the bolts back in. Again, the top 117, bottom 117. In some more. And then push these in. You want to get this in there. You don't want to have this hanging out. And the best way to do that is actually take off this guide pin and push the boot inside. There you go. So like that, take off the guide pin. And push the boot inside. Put a little bit more lube on here. And there you go. Do the same thing. So you can see. And after that you want to take your caliper, push your guide pins in, hand screw, and then tighten it down. There you go. Looks good. It's a good inspection. Your new pads. Got a lube. We also lube the guide pin. These are 17, these are 14s. I use this tool, got it from Pep Boys, but you can also use this and then push in the caliper that way. And next we're going to put the wheel on. These are the yoke pads. Pretty worn down. I like to start by hand. And now you do the same thing to the other side and you'll be done. Once you're done, you actually want to test drive the vehicle. Cat back on. start it and pump the brakes until it firms up. Now let's drive it. It's a manual, so I'm gonna need you guys to bear with me, alright? Let me get this in my position. Okay. Okay. There we go. Brakes feel fine. Here we go. Hold on. I don't think avoiding traffic stops. Nope, they don't. Not that good at driving manual, but I'm okay. Enough to test drive the car at least. Feels alright. Let's make a U-turn. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Okay, cool. He let me go. Past that, I believe. How you? Oh God! How you get back? God, I don't know if I went this far. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I remember that. Oof, come on, come on. We should be fine here. I'm done. Let's back this thing back up. Hear any noise? I think yeah. Put this in reverse. Oh, installed it. Oh, this is gonna be the worst. Okay. had it first. Oh, okay. Oh well. That's it.